Think the 2026 BMW M2 Racing is just another track day toy? Think again. BMW packed this new entry-level race car with some seriously clever engineering and a few secrets you might not expect. Let's dive into it. Despite the M2 street car rocking a turbocharged inline-6, the M2 Racing uses a completely different setup. A 2-liter turbocharged inline-4 based on BMW's B48 engine. It's tuned to make 313 horsepower and 296 pound-feet of torque, and it helps keep weight down and costs lower, making it the perfect training ground for future pro drivers. BMW kept things pure. The M2 Racing stays rear-wheel drive with a mechanical limited-slip differential. Unlike the street M2's fancy active diff, this one's more old-school, designed for durability, predictability, and proper race car feel. It even has a separate cooling system just for the diff, so it can take long-distance racing punishment. To survive brutal endurance racing, the M2 Racing sheds weight anywhere possible. A carbon fiber roof comes standard. The rear side windows are replaced with super lightweight Macrolon. Even the hood and trunk use quick-release systems for fast repairs. All this brings the weight down to just 3,300 pounds, helping the little 4-cylinder punch way above its size. This isn't just a track day car with a roll cage. The M2 Racing features a full DMSB certified welded cage, a Sabelt GT AM racing seat, and FIA homologated fuel cell, and an integrated fire suppression system. It's ready to hit real professional circuits straight out of the box, no extra mods needed. Before unleashing it to customers, BMW put the M2 Racing through a brutal, full-distance endurance test at the Nürburgring Nordschleife. Factory drivers like Max Hess and Jens Klingmann spent hours hammering the car to fine-tune things like tire wear, drivability, and cooling. The goal wasn't just lap times, it was building a car that could survive multi-hour battles without missing a beat. The 2026 M2 Racing is way more than just an M2 with a roll cage. It's a full-blown race weapon built for a new generation of drivers. Which car would you want to take around the Nordschleife? Let me know down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you love uncovering racing legends like this one.